Today we're going to show you how to sign up as a volunteer. You will need to download the Boomerang app from the App Store. Launch the app and click the Volunteer button. Enter your email. Create a new password. If you have already created a Boomerang account and password, you can use that same login. Click Start to listen to students and give feedback. On the Listener Volunteer page, there is a Help button that will explain each item that a volunteer will be marking. Let's go over these together. Select the red X if the sound is incorrect or missing. Select the green check mark if the sound is correct. The reference sound plays the sound a student should be saying. The sound graph is the student's recording. Adjust the sliders to select the best part of the audio. We'll go over an example of this together. There is a skip button for when you are unsure of how to mark a student recording. The red flag button should be marked only if you hear something inappropriate that should be reviewed by open reading staff. The final step is to hit Submit. For example, the letter I. You hear the reference sound. Then you hear the student recording. Select the best part of the student recording with the purple sliders. Tap and drag each end of the purple slider to move it. Select the correct sound was made and hit Submit. Some letter sounds can be tricky. To give students the best possible feedback, we recommend volunteers wear earbuds or headphones. You heard the reference sound and then the student recording. Select the best part. Select the green check mark for correct, then hit Submit. When correcting a word, there are a few more items that a volunteer will mark for feedback. The Help button will give you some more information. For each sound, select the red X if the sound is incorrect. Select the green check mark if the sound is correct. For extra sounds, select Yes if the speaker added extra sounds before, after, or in the word. For Not Smooth, select Yes if the speaker did not read the word fluently. We will go over an example of words read with extra sounds and words read not smoothly together. Again, always adjust the sliders to select the best part of the audio. This is the portion students hear during feedback. Once you've completed marking feedback for each recording, always remember to hit the Submit button. This sends feedback to students. Flag recordings where you hear something inappropriate. This can be a student's full name, their address, or inappropriate language. Hit Skip if you are unsure how to mark a recording. For example, the word mom. You hear the student recording.
Mom.
Now select the best part of the audio with the purple sliders. Remember, the goal is always to give students clear, useful feedback. In this recording, the volunteer will exclude the background noise and isolate the student reading the word.
Mom.
As you hear each correct sound, mark the checkbox. Upon completing, hit Submit. Now let's practice marking student recordings. Select the best part of the recording and mark each letter sound incorrect or correct. Instead of in, the student said on. That was close, but the student did not say the word correctly. Mark the red X for I and the green check mark for N. Hit Submit. It's important to listen to the full recording. Listen for the student pausing as he reads the word fan.
Fan.
You then hear the student read the word fluently. Always select the best part of the recording.
Fan.
In this recording, we would isolate the final student recording of
Fan.
and mark all sounds correct before hitting Submit. Listen carefully to the next recording and determine how you would mark it. Adjust the purple sliders. This is an example of a student recording where both letter sounds are correct, but we would mark yes for not smooth, as the word was not read fluently. You are ready to hit submit. Now let's go over how to mark a recording with extra sounds.
Pin.
The student adds an extra sound in front of in. Adjust the purple sliders.
Pin.
Mark both letter sounds correct and mark yes for extra sounds. You have now learned how to use all 7 buttons on the volunteer feedback page. Remember, the goal is to have fun and give students useful feedback. Volunteer feedback is given to students via the robot parrot.
You read this word beautifully.
On.
Good job.